Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another great edition of Awesomecallstrading.com. I am AJ, your host today. I want to say welcome. Thank you. It is, let's see, September 19th. You know what? Halloween's coming a little bit too. Can't wait. Anyway, had a good day today. I did some overnights, as you all know, MDR and Roku. MD&R, I ended up selling, I think I only got a nickel on it, 4 cents, 3 cents on it, I believe. And Roku, I ended up just killing that trade. I think I'm going to take a trade here while I'm talking because Netflix keeps running. And Roku keeps running. And I think I could pop Netflix up. So I'm going to try to take that. Okay, so I like Netflix to pop here. Let's see if I can get a few bucks. Let me see. It's got a nice breakout coming. It's this one right here. Let me show you. Netflix. Watch it right here. You see that? Looks like it's going to pop here. Let me see if I can do that. You're trading wall. Bounty, you want me to look at wall? Hold. Oh, that would have been nice at 850. Rebuy that. Yeah, I would have been okay with that. But, yeah. Let's go back to, what is it? Okay, okay, okay. Get one more pop up here. Watch, because see, Roku keeps moving up. See it? Roku's trying to top here, so that tells me that Netflix wants to pop here. At least break back up to 287, right? So we'll see how that goes. Look at that. Look at this Roku right here. Really nice. Looks like it's going to take out the 134. If it does, it should take out the high of the day too. Look at that. Just came up out of nowhere. I'll just leave my Netflix alone. There it goes. There goes Roku. Gonna take out that 134.50. It's really stretching a little bit more. A little bit more. Here it goes. There it goes. Nice scalp trade if you took this too. Should take out that high of the day. I like these parabolic moves because we can nail the downside to it too. You know what? I might want to do that. You go over here. If this goes parabolic, I could short it for 25, 30 cents for a quick pullback. Okay. All right. Let me do the webinar. We'll start with AIM. 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 And put it here. Well, we had a really good selection of stocks, traders. It was really fun. We started with AIM. AIM got a grant this morning, and after reading the news, we felt it was a short. So what we did is we decided to go ahead and short the stock. Any pop that opens towards 350, we considered it a short on it. So, and we have the stock going to $2 based on the news. Being it was a grant, we just didn't feel like it would sustain and hold, and especially a defense grant. So here's the pop at the open. You can see the opening bell. There's the 350, 360 pop, and then a nice sell-off all the way down. And we nailed it right there. And we're looking for $2 on it, so it should do pretty good for us. So that's what we're looking for right there. The next one, what we did today was, what was the next one? Roku. Now, Roku, we did overnight this. Yesterday, the sell-off was just a little too excessive. And I had this stock written out and scripted to go to, hold on one second. Hold on one second. One second. Okay. I just made $50 on 300 shares on Netflix. I just made $50 on 300 shares on Netflix. You see this right here? When I started the webinar, I went long right there, 300 shares. I just sold 300 shares, and I made $50. And see, if I had stayed, I'd probably make 100. But I'm doing my webinar, so, and the reason why I bought that was because I saw Roku moving up. And not just day trading traders. I could scalp trade all day long in front of you. And again, it's important that I let you know the entries, the exits, what I'm doing, and why. I never hide anything. I'm very transparent, and I don't ever tell you after the fact, oh, I just made, okay? Or it's in my back account. All right, we don't do that shit in here. All right, so I had a choice between Netflix. I should have took Roku 300 here too as well, but I'm trying to do a webinar too. Anyway, the next one that we did again was Roku. Roku had a massive selling off yesterday, as you all know, and you can see right here, sold off from $150, $152 a share, and just came all the way down, and it was just too much. So Roku just took out high today, and so the pre-market notes had this stock. Oh my gosh, Netflix is running now. Oh my gosh, it's $300. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I love making money, but I have to do these webinars. Okay, focus the webinar, AJ. Focus the webinar. Yeah, but Netflix just hit 297, 287. Oh no. Okay, you see, this is what it's like running a room. I want you to see the Netflix trade now. See 300 shares? I was long right here, right? At 47. So I had 286.47 fill. Look at it now. See, this is money. This is what day trading is all about. That's why we do webinars and videos and lists and you trade live with someone. I mean, fuck. Think about it. This is money. If you hadn't traded all day and you came in, I'm going to take this fucking stock here with 300 shares and it pops 80 cents, you make $240 for the day. I don't have to glorify it and go, oh, look, just fucking take the trade with me, baby. All right? All right? Just have fun. Anyway. So, I felt Roku would go to $135 today on a rebound. But before we did that, I wanted to add into weakness, which it came down to 123 level. So I added into that. I even told traders give it room to 121, but the stock will push to 130 to 132. At the open, it hit 132, consolidated, and now we're seeing the final phase to 135. Really a great trade. And the reason why it did run today too, we got two strong defenses this morning, reiterating the $185 price targets, and that told me that we were going to have a nice play in the stock, and I went for it. So it was really good. Good call. The next one that we did obviously was Netflix. I love Netflix. I figured Netflix would pop at the open to 293, and from that pop to 293, I figured it would sell off all the way down to, I was looking for 288 and under, and I really wanted a nice sell-off. Bernstein made some comments this morning on Netflix that it could hit 230 in the interim, but kept a price target of 450. So it was really kind of contradictory. So I went for it, and I just said, look, let's just pop it at the to 293. There's the 293, scale in short. Take it down to 288. There's the 288. So if you covered, it was a perfect, nice covers, but it continued to sell off. And the next level for me on Netflix was 285 and 283. And the reason being, I charted out, and you can see that right there, charting it out. The 283 seems to be a bottom support level, which I really like. And I always can get a decent bounce off of that level. And hence today, it hit 283.40. And there is the bounce level back to 287. Until it shows me new levels, that is the stock, how I'm going to approach it for a while. So the next one we did was TDD. You got to know, I'm going to play that stock. That's my baby. I know this one like the back of my hand, traders. And TDD showed me money, money, money. TDD was simple for us today. It was gapping down a little bit. Actually gapping up a little bit. I had the stock going to 213 into 214 in the morning, and then selling itself back off to 206 to 208. And I'll show you right here what I did. On TDD, I said right here, the stock will push at the open to $213 a share, and the stock will sell off to $207 a share. So you ready? Are you excited? You want to see perfection? Again, let's do it again. The stock will open to 213, and the stock will sell off to 207. Okay, this is before any trade has ever been done on the stock. You ready? Here we go. Ding, 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 ding. Stock hit $213. And what did we say it would go down? How did we say it? We said it would go down to 207, and it hit 207 and 10 cents. Hold on. Let me know where you want me to mail that. Okay? And you see the double bottom? This is a clear double bottom from a market maker. That was the bottom. And that was predetermined before the market even opened. You see that? 213 and 207. This is why I play that stock. All right, the next one we did was a stock called Band. Now, this was a very interesting play for us in the chat room because there was no market makers on the stock in the morning. I determined that the market makers right here, they finally came in 10 minutes before the opening bell. I suggested to everyone go long the stock. I wanted to gap fill it back up to the 70 to 71 area. So I said long the stock. And any pullback to $66 was a buying opportunity. And I'll show you the stock. I'll show you the play. The stock is called Band. There's Band. The stock will open towards 70. If it pulls to 66, go long. Here it is. The Band hit 66 and ran to 73. You want another one? We did OSTK today. OSTK today, the CEO finally sold their percentage of his shares and is out of the company altogether. This is something good for the shareholders and good for the company. So I figured they were going to celebrate today. So I told everyone long the stock. Do not short OSTK today. It is gapping down $2. I would like to see a stock go to $15.50 to $16 or more and then grind out. So it was a pure long play at $14.75, and as you can see, it hit $16.50. And that's because they threw his ass out. They didn't like him. Next one we did today was a company called Moeller. This was an earnings play. This was scripted trade, and scripted means that we wrote it out and we really indicated what this stock would do and why. And so after reading the report, which is what we do in here, the report determined that the stock should actually I wanted everyone to short the stock at 48.90, give it room to add on the pop because I figured a little small squeeze at the open, and then I wanted the stock to come all the way down to 46 and under. It was a beautiful setup, beautiful trade for everyone to execute, well orchestrated, and as you can see, here's the opening, here's the pre-market. If you could get pre-market at 48.90, everyone had opportunity. Then I said give the stock room to 50 to add, so everyone was prepared. And then I said the stock would pull down to 46, and it hit 46 on a dime within 21 minutes of the opening bell. This is called precision day trading. Precision day trading. Okay. Next one I took today, I'll give you one more. We'll call it a day. Okay. I'll give you a basic TWL. This is also a swing trade if you want to take it. A nice analyst call today. Pretty decent price target. But for us as a day trade, we really simply just wanted to nail the gap down. The gap down, it was gapping up. So here's where it closed. It gapped up and pushed out of the gate. So I determined the stock was a short at I think 117, 118, and I said the stock would come down to $113. TWLO. The stock would come and pull to 114 and under, and then it would bottom curl and an all-day slow move to the upside. So all you had to do was kind of just wait for it. And as you can tell how the stock ended up, if you shorted the stock with us, you pulled it down, there's 114, and guess what? It hit on a fat finger at 113, and then moved to the upside. And there's your move to the upside. Nice, easy, well done, and well executed. So, and yeah. Oh, I don't want to forget Shop. Shop is now on my list. It has made my list. It's like the TDD for me. Once it got to a price level, I didn't like the 400 level. I thought I was just getting ridiculous, and I wasn't gonna have it watch to go to 500, and I didn't want traders to get, you know, killed over. So, but now it's fun. It's a 350 and under stock. Man, I could. It's 2 days, 3 days in a row I've played this thing, and I've nailed it each time. This was a no-brainer. I mean, this was done, and I'll show you the shop setup to say. I mean, this is killer. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Shop. All right, this is gapping up 2. I would short the stock. Let it pop at the open to 330. If it does, the stock will come down to 320 to 323 area, and you nail it long. This will be a long range play for the long side. I love shop. So all you have to do if you wanted to long the stock or you wanted to buy calls, you just had to simply wait for the pullback at the open. That's it. And I already gave you the area to start getting in there. So if you want to see the setup, it was beautiful. And then I told you it was going to go to 330 to 332. So that's about 331 if you take the center of it. So if it pulled at the open, man, just get in there at 323 and under. I swear the stock's going to go right back to 331. You're going to make 8 points on the trade. You want to see it? Oh, this is beautiful. Ready? Ding, 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 ding. Here's the pull at the open. So if you shorted it, you also banked. Look at the 323 level right here, right? Here's the 321 level. So here's your bottoming right here. Here's the curl breakout. And guess where I said it would go? 331. Bam, 331. Isn't that beautiful? Man, this is fucking beautiful. And to know that I do this every single day. Tomorrow I'm going to do the same thing. And the next day, and the next day, and the next. If I could trade Saturday, I would. If I could trade Sunday, I would. But you know why? Because I love doing this. And when you love what you do, and you love helping others to see things that they haven't seen, if a trader can walk in and walk away saying, "Hey, I learned something today. I did my job," because that's really what it's about. Seeing a trader learn and add something to the repertoire and become great. I want to see every trader become great. I would love our chat room to be everyone be a mod. I mean, that's the goal of an owner of a room, that everyone be a mod, that everyone brings value to the room. But it takes a lot to be a mod in here. I don't just hand them out. Oh yeah, you're a mod. It's not about popularity. It's about, can you handle the traders? Can you handle what they're asking you? Are you humble? You're not describing you, AJ. Well, that's because I'm the owner. So anyway, do you know what you're doing? Are you giving your entries and exits? You're not paper trading, because there's so many people today. Oh my God. I mean, I saw one the other day that's supposed to be some J trader. I was watching, I saw it through Guru Leaks. He had a pinned tweet. This motherfucker's paper trading and taking people's money. You're paper trading, motherfucker. Who's going to learn from paper trading? I'm not learning anything to watch a guy, take monopoly money, and you can't pay your bills with monopoly money. Let me tell you something. When you paper trade, there's no fucking emotion. You're like William Carmen. I'm up 40,000. I'm up 70,000. I'm up 100,000. Motherfucker, if I was up 100 grand, shit. I I I I can't even tell you. I'm up 30 grand. Shit, I'm up 10. Oh my God. I'm just a humble trade. I just take my $100, $200 on each trade. $50 here, $80 here, $160 here. Hey, it all adds up at the end of the day. I don't size in anything unless I really feel like, oh, this is gonna pounce, or this is really gonna have a nice play in it. Then I'll go 2,000, 3,000, maybe 5,000 shares. But I'm just not a home run type of person. I am just your I don't want to say average trader. I just want to make, I think for me as a trader, I just want to be consistent. I want to come in every day and be a winner, because it changes you as a person, changes your attitude, changes who you are, because you're a winner. And I want to be around winners. I want to be around people that's why I love my Twitter feed. I love seeing people post their charts. I love winners. I love videos. I love wins. I learned something from you today. Um, um, Profitable across the street. How can you help me, please? Can somebody reach out to this guy, please? I don't have time. Can somebody do that? If you bring him in, I'll give you $50. Can somebody? His name is Chaz Benson one. I'll like it on my thing. Can somebody just try to get him in the room? Explain to him what we can do. And if I have to, do send him something or do something, let me know. Ollie, if you're in the room, Brandy K, if you're in the room, Bounty, just someone talk to him. Because he obviously wants to be in our room. He's been watching us all over Twitter and YouTube. So, but thank you if you guys could do that. Anyway, what I love is just looking at winners and videos and people talking to one another and the community and the love and respect that we have for one another in here. And we always congratulate the other guy or the other lady, and we're always saying thank you. And that's what I love about our room. It's a pay it forward room. It's a great community, and we're growing. I mean, we're becoming. I mean, we're awesome calls. Okay, that's who we are. Awesome calls trading. Anyway, just want to say thank you to all of you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.